Welcome back to my channel. Today, we re-diving into a topic that is close to my heart because it is how IVA built multiple six-figure earning YouTube channels. It's turned views into dollars. We're not just talking about the typical ad revenue. Oh no, this video is your golden ticket to unlocking YouTube riches. We're exploring 7 innovative ways to transform your views into cold, hard cash. So if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, let's dive right in. You see, YouTube isn't just a platform for sharing videos. It's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. And with the right strategies, you can turn every view into a potential dollar. This video is more than just a guide. It's a roadmap to YouTube success. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these techniques will show you how to monetize your content like a pro. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. 1. Sponsorship deals. This is where brands pay you to mention or feature their products or services in your videos. You might be thinking, great, but how do I attract sponsors? Well, here's the magic formula. As you grow your YouTube channel, you'll attract interest from brands. When you have an engaged audience, brands want in. All those views and subscribers make you a valuable asset, and that's when the sponsorship offers start rolling in. 2. Affiliate marketing. Imagine being able to recommend products without creating anything yourself. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It's like word of mouth on steroids. Share unique tracking links that lead to products on websites like Amazon. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The key here is to choose products that align with your niche and audience. For example, if you review tech gadgets, promoting a new phone would be a great fit. To get started, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and paste those affiliate links in the descriptions, or use emojis in your videos. When people click on those links and buy, you'll earn commissions. The best part? You don't need to create anything yourself. 3. Merchandise sales. Think about it. If people love your content, they'd probably love to show off their support by wearing your merch. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs, whatever you create becomes a walking billboard for your brand. This way, every time someone buys a piece of your merchandise, they're also spreading the word about your content. That's a win-win. So how do you get started? Platforms like Spring are your best friends. They handle all the production and shipping, so you don't have to lift a finger. Plus, you can start small without any upfront cost. Design your merch and set your prices. Once you have a store up and running, make sure to shout it out in your videos. Encourage your viewers to check it out. And voila, you're on your way to passive income. 4. Super Thanks and Super Chat. These features allow your viewers to directly support you while you're streaming live. Viewers can send you a one-time payment for exclusive perks, like shoutouts or even private messages. It's like having your own personal army of fans who help you earn money and show appreciation all at the same time. But that's not all. With Super Chat, your viewers can pay to have their messages highlighted in the chat during your streams. It's a win-win situation. Your fans feel connected and you get paid for it. So how much can you earn? Well, that depends on how many super thanks and super chats you receive. There's no set amount, but every little bit counts towards your earnings. 5. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow you to earn a monthly income by setting up membership tiers. Each tier comes with its own set of perks. Think of it like having different membership levels, and your viewers can choose which one they want to be a part of, in exchange for their monthly contributions. You can offer exclusive perks, such as behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos, or even personalized shoutouts. The beauty of crowdfunding is that it provides a steady stream of income, allowing you to focus on producing high-quality content without worrying about the financial aspect. 6. Digital product sales. Think beyond traditional products. What if you could sell things like Notion templates, digital planners, or social media templates? These are digital products that you can create once and sell infinitely. No more worrying about shipping or inventory. And guess what? It's incredibly easy to set up. Platforms like Etsy allow you to create a digital storefront in no time. It's like having your own online shop where customers can browse and download digital goodies instantly. Now, how do you promote these digital products? It's simple. Share them in your video descriptions, pin comments, or even create dedicated videos showcasing what these products can do and why people should buy them. It's all about making the benefits crystal clear to your audience. No 7 memberships. Whether you're a fitness guru, an art aficionado, or a tech wizard, there's an audience out there that wants to learn from you. And memberships let you teach what you love and earn at the same time. Think of it as your own digital classroom. You can share your expertise and passions with the world and earn money while doing so. It's a win-win. Not only does it diversify your income streams, but it also creates a deeper connection with your audience. By offering memberships, you're providing value beyond your regular content, establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, and building a community of like-minded individuals. Now that we've unlocked these 7 avenues for turning views into cash, let's talk about how to maximize your earnings. Here are 8 essential tips for monetizing your YouTube channel. Tip No. 1. Consistency. Maintain a regular upload schedule so viewers know when to expect fresh content and YouTube's algorithm rewards consistent behavior. Tip No. 2. Audience engagement. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and foster a sense of community around your content. Tip No. 3. Quality over quantity. Invest time in creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to your audience. Tip No. 4. Cross-promotion. Promote your other social media channels on your videos and vice versa to expand your reach. Tip No. 5. Analytics. Track your analytics to understand which videos perform well and cater to audience interests. Tip No. 6. Call to action. Don't be shy. Tell your audience how they can support you through the various monetization methods you offer. Tip number 7. Collaboration. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to tap into new audiences and cross-promote your content. And tip number 8. Stay updated. Keep up with YouTube's ever-changing algorithm and monetization policies to optimize your earnings potential. Remember, success on YouTube is a journey, not a sprint. Stay focused, be patient, and keep bringing value to your audience. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time. And if you're still hungry for more, I've got 3 more videos that will fuel your success. Click on these gems to keep you on the path to YouTube domination.